Looking for that perfect smartphone gimbal but feeling overwhelmed by all the options? I remember the first time I tried filming a walking tour video with just my phone. The footage looked like I'd filmed it during an earthquake. Then I discovered the magic of gimbals, and suddenly my shaky amateur clips transformed into smooth, cinematic shots that actually look professional. Today we're looking at 7 outstanding smartphone gimbals that cater to different needs and budgets. All product links are in the video description below. Let's dive in. Starting with the Hohem iSteady X3 SE. This ultra-portable gimbal immediately catches attention at just 360 grams. The detachable magnetic remote control works from up to 10 meters away, perfect for solo creators who need to film themselves without constantly running back to the camera. The iSteady 8.0 stabilization algorithm handles walking and even light jogging impressively well. Battery life stretches to an impressive 11 hours, which means you can shoot all day without worrying about power. The Hohem Joy app offers face tracking and gesture control, though it's not quite as polished as some competitors. Android users particularly appreciate how well the Hohem app works on their devices compared to some other brands that seem to prioritize iOS. Picture yourself on a weekend city break, pulling this gimbal from your jacket pocket to capture smooth walking tours, then using the remote to film yourself at scenic viewpoints. At its budget-friendly price point, the X3 SE delivers remarkable value for travelers and casual creators who prioritize portability. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 represents what many consider the gold standard in smartphone gimbals. DJI's 7th generation stabilization combined with ActiveTrack 7.0 creates an almost magical tracking experience that can follow multiple subjects and switch between them with a tap. Weighing just 300 grams including its built-in tripod, this gimbal feels incredibly light, yet impressively solid. The magnetic quick-release mount lets you pop your phone off to answer a call and snap it back on instantly without any rebalancing. Battery life reaches about 10 hours of active use, and the gimbal includes a helpful sleep mode for quick pauses. The Mimo app is feature-rich with shot guides and creative templates, though Android users might experience less polish than iOS users. What's missing from this standard model is the built-in extension rod that appeared in previous versions. The OM7 shines brightest when filming active subjects. Imagine recording your kids at the park as the gimbal smoothly tracks them running around, maintaining perfect framing while you focus on capturing the moment. Moving to something uniquely different, the Aokuin Smart M1 Pro breaks the traditional gimbal mold with its 4-in-1 design combining gimbal, selfie stick, tripod, and AI tracker. The built-in AI vision sensor tracks subjects without any app involvement whatsoever. You can use Instagram Live, Zoom, or any camera app while the gimbal automatically follows you. This is actually a single-axis stabilizer rather than full 3-axis, which means it handles pan movements beautifully but won't eliminate all vertical bounce when walking. The built-in extension pole reaches 48 centimeters, letting you capture wide group shots or creative high angles. Weighing only about 240 grams, it's incredibly light and portable. Imagine you're a fitness instructor recording workout videos. You set the M1 Pro on the floor, extend it to chest height, and it automatically tracks you as you move through exercises, no camera operator needed. The Insta360 Flow 2 strikes an impressive balance between beginner friendliness and advanced capabilities. This 3-axis stabilizer includes both a built-in 20cm selfie stick and integrated tripod legs, features that the comparable DJI OM7 notably lacks. Deep Track 4.0 provides excellent AI tracking that rivals DJI's system, smoothly following subjects and handling multiple people with ease. At 373 grams with magnetic quick-release mount, it's slightly heavier but still very portable. Battery life extends to about 10 hours, and the gimbal includes NFC Quick Launch for Android phones. The Insta360 app deserves special mention with its Shot Genie AI suggestions and automatic editing features that can transform raw footage into polished social media content in minutes. The base model's full tracking features work best on iPhone unless you purchase the Pro Kit with the AI Tracker module for cross-app Android tracking. What really sets the Flow 2 apart is how it bridges casual and advanced use. Beginners can rely on auto mode, while experienced users can utilize the manual focus wheel for professional techniques. The JC Robot iSleeky L7C Pro proves you don't need premium prices for genuine 3-axis stabilization. This budget-friendly gimbal covers all the essentials with full pan, tilt, and roll axis motors that effectively eliminate shake. Fast charging gets you back to shooting in just 80 minutes, and you can even use it while charging from a power bank. The companion app includes creative modes like Inception rolls and dolly zoom effects, though the interface feels less polished than premium brands. At 355 grams and folding to under 15 centimeters, it's genuinely pocketable. Real-world battery life runs about 4 to 5 hours, less than competitors but offset by that rapid charging capability. While Jake Robot lacks brand recognition, the actual stabilization performance is surprisingly solid for casual use, perhaps 90% as smooth as top-tier models. The Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI combo represents the heavyweight champion of smartphone gimbals. Built with an orthogonal motor structure similar to professional DSLR gimbals, it delivers rock-steady footage even during fast movements. The integrated fill light pumps out 300 lumens, and the combo kit includes additional magnetic lights for serious low-light shooting. Unlike compact foldable gimbals, the Smooth 5S doesn't fold and weighs 644 grams, making it less travel-friendly but incredibly stable. The AI tracking module works independently of your phone's camera, enabling tracking in any app without software limitations. Battery life reaches an exceptional 26 hours under ideal conditions. This gimbal handles 360-degree unlimited rotation on the roll axis for dramatic inception shots. Where the Smooth 5S truly excels is demanding professional scenarios. Imagine shooting a music video at night where you need built-in lights for illumination, while the AI module tracks your subject. Closing out our lineup, the Aochuan Smart XE delivers high-end features in a compact, affordable package. This foldable 3-axis gimbal includes a focus wheel for smooth zooms and focus pulls, plus a magnetic RGB fill light with 7 color options. The 8.0 stabilization algorithm provides steady footage comparable to more expensive competitors. Battery life extends beyond 10 hours with a 2,600 mAh battery that fast charges in 3.5 hours. At 350 grams, it strikes a nice balance between features and portability, folding down to about 16 centimeters. The RGB light is magnetic and battery-powered, so you can detach it and stick it anywhere metal for creative lighting angles. Think of a YouTube creator filming product reviews who wants professional touches without complex setup. The Smart XE provides the focus wheel for dramatic reveals and RGB lighting for atmosphere. Looking at all 7 gimbals, your perfect choice depends entirely on your specific needs. For ultra-portable everyday carry, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE gives remarkable stabilization in a pocket-sized package. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 remains the safest all-around choice with polished app ecosystem and bulletproof tracking. Solo creators should consider the Aochuan M1 Pro with its app-free AI tracking and extended reach. The Insta360 Flow 2 offers the best balance with built-in selfie stick and tripod. Budget buyers get genuine 3-axis stabilization with the JCRO-BOTL7C Pro. Professional mobile filmmakers will appreciate the Zhiyun Smooth 5S with unmatched stability and integrated lighting. The Aochuan Smart XE provides premium features like focus wheel and RGB light in an affordable design. Each gimbal transforms shaky footage into smooth professional video, so consider your use cases, portability needs, and budget to find your perfect match. All product links are in the description below, and if this helped you choose the right gimbal, hit subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.